In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Gemini AI to Base44. So first thing, click on Integrations tab, and from here you need to find Gemini. So as you can see, it's this one. Click on it. Then here you can see some kind of overview. So it has features like natural language responses, summarization, and code generation. You have here also some example prompts, how you can use it. And then what you need to do is you need to get your Gemini API key. You can get it by going to Google AI Studio. And then from the main dashboard, look at the bottom left corner and click on this Get API Key. And from here, you need to click on Create API Key. Then you can name your key. So for example, test key. Then you can choose an imported project. So you can choose from Cloud Project, or you can create your new project. So I'm going to create new project. Then again, put a name and click on Create Project. Now you need to select this project which you created and then click on Create Key. Once the key is created, as you can see, it's this one. You can open it by clicking on this blue text on this one, and this is your API key. So make sure to copy it and keep it secret. Don't share it with anyone. Then what you need to do is go back to Base44 and click on Use this integration. Click on it, and from here, as you can see, we need to paste our key here. So I'm gonna paste it here. And then you need to select model from Gemini which you want to use. So for example, I'm gonna choose this Gemini latest Flash, this one. You can copy the name of it and paste it here. And that's how you can connect the Gemini AI integration to Base44. As you can see, it's showing me this green tab which says integrations 1. So now you can start using Gemini in Base44. And that's it. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.